Pearhead's beautiful, wooden pet memorial frame is the perfect way to celebrate your pet's life and forever cherish their memory. This black frame includes the special phrase "Forever in my heart" with a white and silver heart and paw print embellishment. This modern sentiment frame includes a triangle hanger and easel to either hang in your home or place on any tabletop or desk. Simply place your favorite horizontal 4x6 photo of your best friend inside this frame and place somewhere for you to always see and cherish. This frame can be used to forever cherish your cat or dog. This keepsake also makes a great gift for someone who is mourning the loss of their pet. A forever and lasting tribute to your beloved pet. While your pet might be gone, their memory will forever live on, and you can always keep your pet close with Pearhead's Pet Memorial frame.Age range. Description: all life stages. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice product and made an impact. I used it as a gift to a friend who recently lost her dog, is placing a picture of her dog in this frame. She was extremely happy and it was a wonderfully packaged product.